Meaning of exploit.
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 Exploit. The term exploit refers to the act of taking advantage of a situation or resource for one's own gain. This can involve using a vulnerability in a computer system or software program to gain unauthorized access or control. It can also refer to exploiting natural resources or exploiting weaknesses or mistakes made by individuals or organizations. The ultimate result of exploiting something is that the exploiter gains some kind of benefit, whether it be financial gain, power, information, or control. However, exploitation often comes at the expense of others and can have negative consequences.